Hello everyone, welcome back to another reaction. My name is Rad. Today we are starting season 3 of Stranger Things. I'm really excited to hop on into it. I have no idea what's going to happen, but I am looking forward to some 80s camp. If y'all enjoy this reaction, please leave a like on the video, subscribe for more, and let's hop right on in. Let's go! Why does that look like something out of Ant-Man? You don't look too pleased. You look a little sweaty and exhausted. Putting in the work there, boy? Ruh-roh. What? I thought it was connected, but I didn't realize they were two smaller pieces. Their keys. Are they trying to open their own portal now? That's what it feels like. Sorry, their own gate. It's a gate. I mean, it is a portal, but they call it a gate. Oh. Yeah. These asshats, man. I also kind of hate gas masks. They just give me that eerie feeling. Oh, man. I'm assuming whatever was trapped in the upside down there is gonna push his way through. The thing that we saw at the end of the last season. Oh, it's closing. Ah. That's not what I thought was happening. I like this outcome. Shit. That looked amazing. Oh god, oh boy, I bet it smells so bad.
Товарищ генерал, мы уже так близко. Вы же видите наш прогресс. Нам просто... Так точно, товарищ генерал.
This was 84, right? Sorry, man, you're dead. Yep. Okay, I can unclench everything now. Chapter 1. Susie, do you copy? I don't know Susie, but I'm excited to meet Susie. Until I'm not excited to meet Susie. 1 year later. Ooh, I'm not excited. It's 1985. Is this Nancy? And Jonathan? No, it is not.
Nobody wants to know you now.
Oh.
Nobody wants to
Mike, Mike, stop.
You don't like it?
No.
It's so awkward for literally everyone.
Don't look at the dogs, work the lock. Work the lock, work the lock. Don't look at the dogs.
Oh, he knows. You don't look too good there, brother, though.
Hey! Hey! 3-inch minimum. Leave the door open 3 inches. Open.
What's wrong?
Poor Hopper.
I wish I was still with you.
I know. Me too. But I'll see you tomorrow, all right? First thing.
Tomorrow.
They're so cute. I'm really happy for them, but now we gotta deal with the puppy dog stage. It's fabulous when you're in it, but dang, it's so awkward for everyone else.
Oh,
I wish we could make out forever and never hang out with any of our friends.
Lucas, stop.
Will thinks it's funny because it is.
Yeah, it's so funny that I want to spend romantic time with my girlfriend.
I'm spending romantic time with my girlfriend.
Okay.
Hey, Dingus, your children are here.
This is Robin.
Again? Seriously? Come on, come on. I swear,
Okay.
if anybody hears about this, we're dead.
Steve has a job. I genuinely don't remember what I just called her. I already forgot her name, but I know I've seen Robin. I think her name is Robin. Oh, they're watching a movie. Let's go. Well, that's lucky enough that they got like, what, 5 seats in a row? 4 seats in a row? Oh no, it's spooky. Oh. That's a Hawkins thing.
That's weird.
That isn't gonna work, Dingus.
Oh, really?
It's widespread. Oh shit, what is happening? What did the lab do? I'm blaming the lab. Everything's on this lab. Because I don't think the Soviets affected us that quickly. Oh. What is this? This isn't the lab. Hello, rats. Sandman. Man, I'm nervous. Oh yeah, remember when it was like heated up? It was like swirling. I wonder if this is I mean, it has to all be related. Oh. Hey, it's all back. But what if that was what was inside of Will that was exorcised out of him? Man. Come on, Will. Uh-oh. Okay, so yeah.
Hey.
It was what was inside of him that pretty much what came to life and released itself.
You sure? Of course.
Lying right now is not in our best interest. Why is it always like a year past and stuff goes down again?
Shit.
Who are you with?
Shit.
What's wrong?
It's almost 9.
What?
We forgot to reset the clocks. The power went out last night.
Shit.
I love this so much. Bob? Please don't be Bob. Yeah. Wow. I'm not gonna be... I'm gonna be sad, but I'm not gonna cry. Oh, God.
Late.
You mean we can't be late?
No, I mean I can't be late. They like you no matter what you do.
They have jobs too?
They like that I'm a coffee delivery machine.
This is Gold Leader returning to base. Do you copy? Over. This is Gold Leader returning
Oh,
to base.
dang, I thought he was driving.
For goodness sake.
I'm in range. They should be answering.
You've been away a whole month, honey bun. Maybe they just died.
Are his 2 front teeth missing again? I saw he had braces on the bottom, but I couldn't exactly tell if they were on the top as well. I was like hard focused on his mouth. Tell me, brother. Yertle!
At least someone's happy I'm home.
You got your home back. Okay, why is this Toy Story all of a sudden?
Just a dream. You're dreaming.
Oh, what the heck is happening? Ah, I'm so happy. His 2 front teeth are gone. Gosh, that was so funny. They just wanted to surprise him. I mean, hairspray is effective. And in the 80s, you definitely had a plentiful supply.
Ladies.
And showtime.
Oh, I see. All the moms want him. Because he's a lifeguard now. That's so funny. Especially her. I didn't realize it was her at first. I guess he's gaining attention to the pool, the community pool, so that's good. And he has a job, so he doesn't have to stay home.
Hey! No running on my watch! I gotta warn you again and you're banned for life. You wanna be banned for life? Didn't think so.
Literally everyone stopped, and now he's like walking like this.
Take the new suit, Mrs. Wheeler.
Thank you.
$1.
I was also wondering, I was like, wow, she's like really dolled up. I see. They don't have a relationship yet, but I still see it happening. Oh, it's closed. Oh, a lot of these places are closed. This is where she worked, yeah. They're closing too?
What now?
And then Elle, she just slams the door right in my face.
Uh-huh.
And I'm just gonna lose it. I mean, I am gonna lose it, Joyce.
Just take it down, Hopper.
I need for them to break up.
That is not your decision. Well, I mean, they're just kissing, right?
It is constant, okay? That is not healthy.
You can't just force them apart.
I mean, that's literally what Joyce and Bob were doing the last season. And he said, you make me feel like a teenager again, so she can understand where they're coming from. The puppy dog stage.
Not yelling, not ordering. Talk to them. You know, like a heart-to-heart.
A heart to heart? What is that?
You sit them down and you talk to them like you're their friend.
Poor Hopper.
And you know, you could start to create some boundaries.
Boundaries.
Yeah, but Hop, it's really important that no matter how they respond, you stay calm. You cannot lose your temper.
Maybe you could do it for me.
That is so cute.
It only works if it comes from you.
Did she just price him?
What?
She did.
Maybe I can help you.
That's so funny.
Find the right words.
You can make it, Nancy. The Hawkins Post. That's so cool.
Fellas, in 6 hours we go to print. I need something real.
Oh, I think they're real.
Gotta love 80s man humor.
Starcourt. I was just thinking.
I like it a lot, but I think I've got something even spicier. It's about the missing mustard on my hamburger. You think you can follow the clues and solve the case of the missing condiment, Nancy Drew?
That is so sad.
Is that a news it?
What is wrong with you?
I was just asking. I can talk to my girlfriend whenever and wherever I choose.
Girlfriend? Wait, so her name is Susie?
Susie with a Z. She's from Utah.
Girls go to science camp?
Susie does. She's a genius.
Is she cute?
Think Phoebe Cates, only hotter.
What's going on? I want to talk to Dustin's girlfriend.
Girlfriend?
That's awesome.
Ahoy, ladies! I didn't see you there. Would you guys like to set sail on this ocean of flavor with me? I'll be your captain. I'm Steve Harrington.
Oh, God.
Can I get you guys a little taste of the Cherries Jubilee? No? Anybody? Banana boat? 4 people? 4 spoons? Shared in the booth? Anybody?
That's so funny.
Which is why I think it's important to establish these boundaries moving forward.
No looking. You know this. Come on.
So we can build an environment where we all feel comfortable. to sharing our feelings. This isn't gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Yes, it will. I promise.
Maybe you just kill Mike.
Oh my gosh.
I promise.
You wanna have dinner tonight?
I have plans.
Okay, sure.
But Hopper just made a move.
So Georgie has his 13th birthday.
He's feeling it. Dang, where are you guys going?
Cerebro works best at 100 meters.
You know,
Oh, that makes sense.
In Utah have telephones.
Yeah, but Susie's Mormon.
Oh shit, she doesn't have electricity?
Oh, that's the Amish.
They're Mormons.
Super
That's
religious
so
white
funny.
people.
Hey, guys!
This is fun and all, but
I have to go home.
We're almost there.
sorry, man.
Curfew.
Let's go. Good luck.
Curfew at 4?
They're lying. It's been like this all summer.
It's romantic.
It's gross.
It's bullshit. Well, they're lost, right? Onwards and upwards. Susie awaits.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Will, come on!
Will, come on. I don't want this to happen to you anymore. Oh, damn. I was not invited. That's a lot of rats. What is happening? Oh Lord, that transition was bomb diggity. Also, that is definitely a party I do not want to be invited to. So many things happening all at once. Woo!
Looking good out there, Mrs. Wheeler.
Thank you.
Perfect form.
Well, your form is amazing. Sorry, I mean, I've seen you teaching lessons, swimming lessons.
Right.
I can teach you if you like.
Oh.
I know all the styles. Freestyle, butterfly,
Please don't.
breaststroke.
Okay.
Oh. Come to think of it, there is a good pool out at Motel 6 on Cornwallis. It's very quiet. You know, very private. Shall we say tonight?
Oh my gosh.
8 o'clock.
I can't.
Can't what? Have fun? Mrs. Wheeler.
I just, I don't think I need any lessons.
Oh, you see, I think you do. I just don't think that you've had the right teacher. It will be the workout of your life.
Okay.
Made it.
Yeah, only took 5 hours.
I'm so thirsty.
It's gone. Oh, nope.
Did you seriously just drink the rest of our water?
Ew, you nasty. This is insane.
Pretty impressive, right?
Yeah.
Now, you ready to meet my love?
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Susie, this is Dustin. Do you copy? Over.
All this, gosh, please be there.
I'm sure she's there. It's just,
Yeah.
you know, maybe she's like busy.
Yeah. It's around dinner time.
Yeah.
Here. Susie, do you copy? This is Dustin. Over.
Oh no.
Hey guys, I'm home.
Is anyone else home?
Guys?
Guess not.
I'm talking about Fraserstown. He had a couple of Simpson County tonight.
What are you thinking about there, Joyce?
They're funny, don't you think?
Yes. I know.
I just wish they'd get back together again already.
Me too.
no, Joyce. She was so happy with him. All those games, please don't be the games. Okay. Could we not? Don't knock Bob off the fridge. Everything got knocked off the fridge.
Hawkins Post? Hold on. I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
Okay. Oh no, this is when Hopper's gonna have to interject himself.
It's important to establish these boundaries.
Why are you hugging your pillow?
To share our feelings.
Don't lose your temper. You got this.
Hey, can I talk to you guys a minute?
You got this. Turn down the music, man. There you go. You got this.
What I wanted to say to you is that,
Uh-oh. I think we're in trouble.
That doesn't help. Literally at all.
no, nobody's in trouble, okay? I just, you know what? Your mom called.
What?
Yeah.
Is everything okay?
No, I don't think so. It's your grandma.
Is she dead?
No.
Did she fall again?
No.
Does she have cancer?
No.
Then I don't understand. What's wrong with Nana?
Nothing. There's nothing wrong with Nana.
Oh, you lying piece of shit! You're crazy!
Crazy? You want to see real crazy?
No, please don't.
You disrespect me again.
Hopper.
Okay. Here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna drive you home. And I'm gonna speak. And you're going to listen.
Nod if you understand.
I understand why I had to do it because what they were doing was not cool.
Susie, this is your Dustin. Do you copy
It's
over?
so sad.
Cerebro doesn't work. Or maybe Susie doesn't exist.
She exists.
She's a genius and she's hotter than Phoebe Cates. No girl is that perfect.
Is that so?
I mean, you're perfect. Perfect in your own way.
Relax, I was teasing.
Woo!
Perfect. And Dustin's obviously lying. Come on, Don Juan.
It's late. Sorry. Maybe tomorrow we can play D&D or something fun.
It's gonna take him so heckin' long to get home.
Susie? Susie, is that you?
Yeah, I think you're picking up something you're not supposed to hear right now.
Поездка в Китай звучит неплохо, если быть осторожным. Неделя длинная. Серебряный год.
He's just repeating this. Are they trying again? Oh my gosh, I just hope she doesn't, like, bump into her husband or something. I do not condone any of this, of what she is doing. Oh, shit. He's just snoring on the couch or in his chair. Glad to see him so happy though. Oh god, please don't get in like an accident or something. Fuck! No, she's gonna think he stood her up. Damn it! Oh no. This is where all the rats were going. What did you even hit? What is it? Oh, I hate it so much.
What the hell? I said, who's there?
Oh no. This is much, much worse than I was anticipating. No. Fuck. I really hope he's not dead. Alright everyone, that was episode 1 of season 3 of Stranger Things. Oh shit. That was really crazy, and it set up for everything that's pretty much, I'm assuming, gonna go down in season 3. And I don't know if Billy just died. Like, I think he just died. But I feel bad-ish for Mrs. Wheeler, because she is gonna think that he stood her up. In reality, he's dead, or whatever the heck is going to happen to him. But we got a lot of good context of everything we expect in this season, and I can't wait for more. If y'all enjoyed this reaction, please leave a like on the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!